Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Battlefield 6 and you keep getting this error, fail to launch game and error on our end caused the launch to fail, then you've come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Battlefield 6 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows Security, and then you're going to click onto App and Browser Control, you're going to click onto Exploit Protection Settings, and then you're going to click onto Program Settings, click Add Program to Customize, click choose exact file path, and then you're going to go into your Battlefield 6 games directory. So I'm going to show you my directory, but your directory may be different if you have the game on a different platform. You're going to click open on here then, and then you're going to click override system settings on every setting here, and then just make sure everything is turned off. So just keep overriding system settings and turning everything off like I'm doing here. And after that, click apply, click add program to customize again, choose exact file path again, add the anti-cheat now, click open here, do the same thing again, so override system settings on everything and turn it off. And then click apply again, close this up. You're going to go ahead and restart your computer now. And once you're done with the restart, and make sure you don't have any overlay applications running in the background. So MSI Afterburner, RTSS, Discord's overlay, or TeamSpeak's Overwolf, just close those applications. And then you can try to play Battlefield 6 and you'll see that it will work correctly and you will not get that failed to launch Battlefield 6 error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.